If you're new to the Zoho CRM or you have been using for a while and you're starting to customize your modules, but you don't know how to handle the related lists and the business cards, this video is for you. This is Alex Vaz with Cornerstone Solutions. I'm going to show you how to customize and organize the related list and also the business card here in the center. Let's take contacts module. The same thing what I'm going to do here can work for leads, accounts, deals, and other custom modules that you would have. Let's start with the related list. As you start with the Zoho CRM, it comes with a predefined, and as you start to connect, integrate with other applications, they start to show here. And if you connect with another application from outside, they can also show here. It means it starts to be overloaded with links. And how the related list works, if you click here, it scrolls to notes. If you click, let's say, products, it scrolls all the way to products. But let's see how we can customize that. You can always scroll as well. Let's move here to the top right, the ellipsis. Under ellipsis, you have organized contact details. Let's click on that. In here, you see this unselected list. This is the select list. That's pretty much the whole list that you see here. As an example here, we integrated with Zoho Finance. At the same time, it kept the invoice, sales order. You can go and delete them from here. What I mean, like hide them exactly. It means you're not deleting the data, you're only moving and hiding them from the list here on the left. You can go quotes, purchase order, because all those are under the Zoho Finance here. Let's move. Let's see, for now, we're only moving those to hidden place. I like normally to have my emails towards the top. That's one thing that we also do with our clients. We go through the related list and try to organize and make it as simple as we can. Let's say in this case here, you don't use products, your company is not handling case, you got like Zoho Desk, and you don't need case here, which is very compatible if you don't have desk. And let's go and save. You see, it deleted from the view here, and but not from the data. It means the data is in here. If for any reason you go and you hide the deals, it will gonna stay in there behind the scenes, but you wouldn't see in here. Okay, it's just hidden for now. You see, we have desk here, and you can always go if for any reason you stop using any of those applications, you can always hide them from this section here. That's a very nice way to keep your Zoho CRM clean. Don't overwhelm the user with a lot of information that are not used. Now let's go to the business card. That's that section here at the top. They call business card. At the same place, let's click the ellipsis here. And we have customized business card. You have the options to turn on and off. I normally would recommend if you have a module like a layout that is just pretty much what you see here, you can always turn this off because this is a shortcut to whatever is below here. Right now we have contact owner. You can add up to 5 fields in here. Let's say you can move the contact owner for the lowest one. You can go, let's say, in your case, the state is important to you to see at a glance here. You can always add, we move the state to the top, the mailing state. We don't need mobile here. Let's say we don't need phone. Department, but we need to handle the title. We can move up, and we need to show here the modified by. Let's move up and let's click save. You see it updated here. You have a new section with a different view. This can be very helpful if you're seeing the record at a glance. You need your top information in this section. You can always do that. Let me show you the same way as I mentioned. You can always come over here and say, let's turn off. You don't see any more. Let's say the only important information is this one here at the top. You don't need that. It works as well. Always think about having like a easy and friendly UI for your users. And one thing to keep in mind, this feature here, let's bring it back, the business card. Oh, let's click open, save. This feature here is only available if the profile is set to see that. Let's say if you're an admin, yes, you will be able to customize that. But let's say you have a sales team, you don't want anyone else to come over here and customize. You can always block that from someone else. Let's say here, click on the top right here, the setup. I'm going to open a new tab here. Under setup, we have under security control, you have profiles. Let's say the sales one here, you don't want them to go and customize any of the business card and the related list. Go to sales one, and you as an admin, you can come over here. Let's scroll to admin level here. Okay, you can scroll, but let's click here, admin level. It goes to the section here, module customization. If you roll over here, you can see the module customization is related to related list and business card. You need to turn this off so the other profiles cannot go in the module and update that two sections. If you have any questions about how to continue improving your Zoho CRM or customizing your modules, contact us. It will be a pleasure to help you.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.